everybody. In this video, I thought I was going to show you how Keyboard Maestro does have this better touch tool feature. This one right here. So let's go to better touch tool. Where is it? Better touch tool. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna open it, and then we're gonna create a new macro. Give a whatever option command G. And so we're going to search for the mouse action. Here we go, it's here. Let's see, where is it? Let's see if we can search for it, because I'm not sure which one it is. Move mouse to a position. I think that's the one. And you hit record new position. And then you hear it. This is what I said in my Keyboard Maestro needs this better touch tool video, needs this better touch tool feature video. And you can see the video up here. So I go somewhere, and then let's say I'll go up here to edit, and then click the space bar, and it saves the coordinates for where that action would go. So I'm gonna close better touch tool now. And in Keyboard Maestro, I'm gonna open up the editor. And I'm going to, let's see, where would I have the, okay, let's just create a new macro. Video macro. And then I'm going to say it's a trigger for, let's say caps lock 9, which is the hyper key for me. Now I'm going to select the action move mouse. And here it is. It is move or click mouse. That's the, and I was told Keyboard Maestro has it if you first select to click the mouse. That's right. And I'm gonna make sure it's left button, and then I'm gonna select here where it says front windows left upper corner. I'm gonna select absolute position, and now it's without, and it's set to without dragging. Now I'm gonna click on get, and I'm gonna do the action. So I get these coordinates, right? So I expected it's gonna go to where I've set the mouse. But let's try it. So I'm gonna confirm this macro, and I'm gonna hit the caps lock 9. Caps lock 9, and it goes completely the opposite direction, and I'm not sure why this is happening for me. So can anybody help and let me know why this it's moving almost the exact opposite to where I want it to go. Here, let's try to edit this macro again. I'm gonna hit get, and I'm gonna go to actions this time. Alright, now I'm gonna confirm this macro by unclicking the edit button, or edit mode I should say. And I'm gonna hit caps lock 9 once again. Okay, it went down once again. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. Can anybody tell me? Anyway, you guys, if you can help me out, this would be much appreciated. Is it just me? I have something set up wrong? Is it Keyboard Maestro? Or is it my computer? I know that I have the latest version of Keyboard Maestro, and I don't want to show my registration, but it's right here. It's version 10.0.1. So that's the latest version. Can anybody tell me why this is happening? Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you have a solution to the problem that you're seeing on the screen in this video. Alright, I will see you all in the next video.